Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the Verizon Fios TV remote not working. First, check and replace the remote batteries to make sure it has enough power. Make sure nothing is blocking the TV's infrared sensor and point the remote directly at it. Now restart the Fios TV box by unplugging it for 1 minute and plugging it back in. Here, press STB on the remote to ensure it's in setup box control mode. Clean the remote's IR window and the TV box sensor to remove dust or smudges. Repair the remote by pressing menu and selecting customer support. After that, go to the top support tools and choose program Fios remote. Try resetting the remote by holding OK plus Fios TV buttons until the LED blinks. Then use another device like your phone camera to test if the remote's IR light is working when you press a button. Check if the Fios box is responding to the app remote Fios TV mobile app to confirm if the issue is remote only. Lastly, replace the remote or contact Verizon support if none of these steps fix the issue. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.